So it's like 4 in the morning and I can't sleep, so I came outside. But it's raining, so I had to grab my umbrella. Who is this? So cute. Look at it. It's Hello Kitty. But anyway, it's raining and it's 4 o'clock in the morning and people are still out and about catching the bus and stuff like that. Like, they're cleaning the streets now. But yeah, people are still out at 4 in the morning. It's not a lot of cars on the street, but there is still people out. But I'm gonna go downstairs for breakfast at about 6:30. And then I'll probably come back upstairs, take me a nap, because I have my sunset tour this afternoon at 2:30. So I got a pretty easy morning.